Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Beyond simply displaying the current date, iPhone Calendar is a versatile application that lets you set up a schedule, add events, and more to keep your days organized and well planned. In this video, I will show you all the features you can do and give you some tips to effectively use the calendar application on your iPhone. Let's go. To get started, review the calendar settings and learn how each configuration works to better understand each available feature. Open Settings and browse to Calendar. When you activate Time Zone Override, events you add can follow the specific time zone in which they're actually scheduled. Otherwise, the app follows the time zone based on your current location. To add structure to your calendar display, you can enable the week numbers toggle. You can use the sync settings to control or adjust the synchronization of events so that your data is always up to date online. If you want to set up the alert frequency of your schedule, go to Default Alert Times and open Events. Then choose from the options available to set whether you want to receive an alert at the exact time of the event, a certain hour before the event, or no alert at all. Here, you can also activate Time to Leave if you want to be notified when to leave a particular event based on factors such as traffic conditions, transit options, and more. Of course, this only works for events with location details. On the other hand, the duration for new event settings allow you to set a specific default hour interval for every new event you add. By default, each week in the calendar starts on Sunday. But if you prefer a different day of the week, adjust the settings and set another. If you have multiple calendars, choose a default one to which all new events are automatically added. In addition, you can also sync your calendar with iCloud so you can access it online from any device. To enable sync, go to your iCloud account information in Settings. Navigate to iCloud. Tap Show All, and make sure Calendars is activated. Once enabled, you can view your calendar information on any device, including your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows PC, or even a web browser, as long as you're signed in with the same Apple ID. If you often have different schedules at multiple organizations or you just don't want to cram your personal events with your work appointments, you can add a calendar for each instead. Open Calendar and go to the Calendars tab. Tap on Add Calendar twice and enter its name. Finally, select a color to distinguish your new calendar and click Done to save it. Additionally, you can also integrate external calendars from your Google or Microsoft accounts with your iPhone calendar for a single view of all your appointments. To add, open Settings, browse to Calendar, and click Add Account. Select the appropriate mail service and enter your email address. Once verified, make sure to toggle Calendars to allow the sync and click the Save button to confirm. Your external calendar should now be added to the list. Another feature is that you can share or join a calendar so you can collaborate with your friends or family and avoid conflicting schedules. To start sharing, click the I button next to the calendar you want to share and tap Add Person. Then you can either enter a phone number or an email address, or click the plus button to select directly from your contact list. After choosing, click the Add button in the upper right corner to send your calendar invitation link. Once the recipient accepts the invitation, you'll both have shared access to the calendar data and view any changes in real time. If someone also sent you a calendar invitation link, navigate to the Calendar main dashboard and open the Inbox tab. Click the Join Calendar button below the link to accept the sharing invitation. Now that your calendar is set up, you can add events and plan your schedule. When creating events, make sure the correct calendar is selected, particularly if you have several. To specifically add an event to a calendar, go to the Calendars tab. Uncheck all of them in the list and leave one selected. Click Done to confirm your changes. Once the calendar is defined, pick a date and tap the plus button above to create your event. Next, enter the event title and specify a location or video call platform if applicable. If it's an all-day event, leave the specific toggle on or turn it off to define the exact date and time schedule. Open the Repeat configuration and select the interval if the event is recurring. You can also add invitees either via email or phone number so they're notified of the event as well. Choose an alert schedule so you won't miss it, or enter additional notes to describe the event. Finally, click the Add button to save it to your calendar. To keep track of your calendar and see its data at a glance, you can add its widget to your home screen and never miss an upcoming event. On the home screen, press and hold until the apps wiggle, and then click on the Add button in the upper left corner. Search for Calendar, choose your preferred layout, and click Add Widget. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.